everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make steiki don. Steiki means beef steak and don means rice ball, so it's rice ball served with beef steak. I'm making some Japanese steak sauce to go with it. Let me show you how. These are what you need. Beef, this is shoulder, but you can use whatever beef you like. Cooked rice, salt and pepper, sliced garlic, sliced green onion to garnish, and for the sauce, I have 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons mirin, 1 tablespoon Japanese cooking sake, 1 tablespoon sugar. Let's put some salt and pepper on the beef, on both sides. Now I'm making some garlic chip. The heat is off, add some vegetable oil. Put the garlic. Turn the heat on and cook them over medium-low heat until brown. When it's brown, take them out. Now I'm cooking beef, but before you start to cook beef, prepare aluminum foil like this on your cutting board, big enough to wrap your beef. The heat is medium to medium-high heat, and for this thickness, I'm cooking both sides little less than 1 minute. Let's flip it over and cook the other side. When the bottom side has nice brown color like this, take it out on the aluminum foil and wrap it. And rest it for 5 minutes. In the meantime, I'm making the sauce. Clean the skillet. Add 1 tablespoon of sake, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar. When it's cooked down to half and kind of thick, steak sauce is ready. The steak's ready and the sauce ready, so I'm going to serve. So I have rice served on one side of the bowl. Unwrap the foil. And I'm going to cut it into strips. Keep an angle of your knife like this and slice. Nice medium rare inside. Let's serve it on top of the rice. I'm going to put some steak sauce on top. And garlic chips. Sprinkle some sliced green onion. Steiki don is good to go. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy making and eating this delicious steiki don. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye for now.